Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert a left side border in Microsoft Word document. So guys, if you need to insert a border in left side, so select your paragraph where you want to add left side border. Then in this home tab, click here and here the option left border. So as we can see, we have this border only for this left side. So this is the way guys you can add. Border in left side in Microsoft Word document for any paragraph. So select that paragraph, then click on this drop down and select left side. Also you can add right side, top side or bottom side or all side. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add a border to paragraph in Microsoft Word document. So select your paragraph where you want to add a border, like here. Then in this home tab, click on this drop down and select desired border, like bottom border, top border, left or right side border and all border. So this is the way guys you can add border to a paragraph in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.